From the small hills of 9 Mile, Jamaica, rose a man whose voice would echo across the world. A man who sang about love, freedom, and unity, and in doing so became a global legend. This is the story of Robert Nesta Marley, the man who turned reggae into a revolution. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where history's most captivating stories come to life. Bob Marley was born on February 6, 1945, in a tiny village called 9 Mile, deep in the mountains of St. and Parish, Jamaica. His mother, Cedella Booker, was a strong and loving woman, and his father, Norval Marley, was a British officer who was rarely there. Growing up mixed race in a divided Jamaica wasn't easy, but it shaped the man who would one day unite the world through music. In Trench Town, Kingston, Bob found the rhythm of the streets, gospel, choirs, ska bands, and street drums. It was here he met Bunny Wailer and Peter Tosh, brothers in sound and soul. Together, they formed the Wailers. For them, music wasn't just rhythm, it was a message. The Wailers created something new: reggae, a heartbeat rhythm for the people. Songs like Simmer Down, Soul Rebel, and Get Up, Stand Up were more than songs. They were protests, prayers, and poetry. Bob's voice became the voice of Jamaica, and soon, the voice of the oppressed everywhere. Bob's music carried a deeper faith, the Rastafari belief in peace, love, and the divinity within. His dreadlocks became a symbol of strength, his words a message of spiritual awakening. Through songs like One Love and Redemption Song, Bob turned his faith into a movement. In 1976, during a time of political chaos, gunmen stormed Bob Marley's home. He was shot but survived. 2 days later, he walked onto the stage and performed, still wounded. When asked why, he said, "The people who are trying to make this world worse aren't taking a day off. How can I?" From Jamaica to Africa, from Europe to America, Bob's voice united millions. His concerts became celebrations of humanity. No Woman, No Cry, Three Little Birds, Buffalo Soldier. Every note was a call for freedom. And in 1980, he sang for Zimbabwe's independence, a dream fulfilled. In 1977, Bob was diagnosed with cancer. Even as his body weakened, his spirit only grew stronger. He performed until the very end, until May 11, 1981. At just 36 years old, Bob Marley passed away in Miami, Florida. The world lost its prophet of peace. His final words to his son Ziggy were, "Money can't buy life." Even decades later, Bob Marley's voice still moves hearts across the world. His message of love, faith, and unity has outlived borders, wars, and generations. Bob didn't just sing songs, he sang the truth. He didn't just make music, he made history. And his words still whisper through the wind. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. Bob Marley's music wasn't just entertainment, it was enlightenment. And though his body left this earth, his message still burns bright. Because legends never die, they live forever in their songs. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where the most captivating stories come.